Hello everyone. I am Avatar AI for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose Tracts at Hampton Park, developed by Taylor Morrison in 2007. Over here we see the rendering of exterior of building. There are total 151 units. Hampton Park knows how busy life can be, which is why we designed this community with ease of living in mind. There's so much to like at this upbeat townhome-style community. From the French countryside feel to the choice of airy, spacious home designs, to the attached two-car garages, so convenient. This is a place that's fresh, fun and fabulous. Because of the small yard community design, upkeep's a breeze, so you can use your precious leisure time just as you please. There's even a park with barbecue grills and a tot lot for kids to play. 2468 Which freeways do you appreciate? Try 880, 680, 237 and 101. Whether you're headed to your office in the Silicon Valley, downtown San Jose for an event, a visit to San Francisco, or even the Monterey coast, homeowners at Hampton Park know they can be on their way in minutes. Hampton Park's location is second to none, with access to all the great amenities the South Bay and surrounding areas have to offer. They have 4 different floor plans. Plan 1 and Plan 2 is 2 bedrooms, while Plan 3, Plan 4 and Plan 5 have 3 or 4 bedrooms units. The 3-story residences at the Hampton Park range in size from 1,080 to 1,892 square feet. Homeowner association fee is around $150 per month, based on living square feet. For example, over here is one of the plans. Here is another plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tracts. The average home price in this tracts is around $800 per square feet. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Hampton Park, San Jose. If you have any questions, call or email me at any time. 488-280-600 and frank.liu1268@gmail.com. Thanks.